Okay, starting on a fresh can. Wow, that's really nice. Someone's going to be hard pressed to find that repair. Now keep in mind, your house might have a different texture on here, right? So you may need to make this a heavier pattern. Okay, but I would start light no matter what yours is, because you can always add to it. And you may be able to just repair yours even with a heavy pattern, just going over again and again and again, which is kind of what I did here. Yeah, that looks like it, like the way the builder did it. All right, we're done with this. Now I just got to prime it and paint it.